Alright, y'all. Hey, I told y'all I was coming. I'm here. It's Danielle, the owner of Truloves Natural Beauty, and I'm about to go live in, what's the clock say? 10 minutes and 40 seconds. Oh my gosh, I'm very excited. I can't wait for y'all to join me. Have a lot of stuff in store. You'll be able to book on my website. You'll be able to shop. You'll be able to see videos, pictures, galleries, all type of stuff. So I'm here. I want to talk to y'all a little bit and show y'all a couple of products I have. Now, just let me tell y'all, if y'all go to the website, you don't have no money today, or you're a little behind on stuff, just check the website out. I'm pretty sure you'll see something that you like. Save for later. Hopefully, you'll come back and it'll still be there. If not, more stuff will be in stock. I'll be updating, always constantly restocking items and having new items coming in. But if you don't have the money, do not worry. I'm not trying to be pressed for anything. I'm very understanding. I understand everybody got situations going on. So just check me out. Check the website out. And if y'all want to donate, y'all want to give me a donation, my Cash App is Truloves Natural on Cash App. TRULOVSNATURAL. Now I got a few products that I want to show y'all. I know y'all have been hearing a lot about my bonnets. So this is one of my money flow bonnets I have right here that I designed myself. It has, the word success. It got a symbol for money. I'm trying to go for, manifesting and wearing your cultural and your spirituality on the outside and showing what you believe in and manifesting through your clothes. And bonnets is something that we all can wear, especially when you're going to sleep. It's very important to manifest. So here you go. I got my logo here, Mrs. Beauty. That's why I call her, y'all, my beauty. So this is Mrs. Beauty here, my logo. If y'all haven't met her, hey. It's the front. Take off. Don't worry about my wig. This is my Miss Keisha. She's my model. Okay, that's one thing. I got something else. This is for the kids. Okay, TNB emoji bonnet, and it's reversible. It is reversible. Or if you got a little head, you can wear it too. It's really cute. You see that? Silk, satin. Very, very cute design. You will not see the design nowhere else at the time. I'm the first one, I'm telling you. I got something for your braids, long locks. Here we go. This is a Protect My Crown bonnet that I designed here. It got keys. It has the symbol of the all-seeing eye, or the protection eye, which is the ancient symbol, what they originally call it. Symbol of protection. People like to talk about you when you walk away. Here you go. Protection. Protect your crown. Here we go. Let's see the back. Isn't it cute? Oh, and it got a little button for you to also, you don't want to keep it long. You can, adjust it. Put it to the little button right there. So this is really cute. This will be on my website. I have different colors, a couple different styles and designs. Limited time only. First come, first serve. This is for the men and the women who have locks. This is lock cap. It's a lock cap that have another different design available too. Here you go. Really nice, real cute. Real nice, real cute. Okay, I also have some merch. Hope y'all seen some. I'm gonna show y'all these here. This one has small, medium, and large. I have plus size up to 3X. Have up to 3X, different styles, different designs, different sets. Limited time only. If y'all like it, please leave reviews. If y'all do purchase, please leave reviews. When I send your package, try to do an unboxing video. You'll get 10% off your orders. Y'all will get stickers, and everybody gets some stickers, Truloves Natural Beauty stickers, and y'all get extra little gifts in your packages. I ain't gonna say what it is because I gotta leave something to imagination, But everybody will receive extra gifts in their packages. Here go another one. This is a 3XL, TXL butterfly design joggers. I love butterflies. Butterflies represent transformation and stuff. No one. Here go another one for the girlies for the summertime. Got the crisscross back. Okay. Yeah. Really nice. Really cute. What size this one is? This a 1XL. Yeah. Okay. Oh, and now also these bracelets is on my website. All these bracelets and this ring here, this turquoise ring. Really nice. Nice design, really good quality. Nice authentic crystal here. Really cute. Okay, I'll see that. How much time? Oh shoot, it's 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I'm gonna show you a couple more items. I have these cute turquoise earrings. Gold plated. Really cute. Look at these. Yes, these are so cute. You see, I have a pair myself. I wear. Yes, I have all these. I have myself. So yeah, I wear them all. Look. Something else to have. Different sets available. Bracelets. A nice choker.
Got some questions for you. We might ask you a question too. So,
crystal headbands, hair clips. Got some questions for me.
Yeah, I got a little question for you. All right, can you share your journey as a Black female entrepreneur in the hair and beauty industry? Like, what inspired you to start your hairstyling career and boutique?
Well, what started me on my hairstyling career was the love of hair. I've been doing hair since I've been about the age of 3. I started doing hair on my baby doll's hair. By the time I was 6, my mother taught me how to braid, and I was putting extensions on my baby dolls. It was hanging off, but I had extensions on there, and I felt really good doing that. And I started developing a love and a passion for hair ever since then. And I started doing family members and friends, and moved on since then. And then I got into retail, and I started seeing that I got into spirituality, and I got into learning about who I am and my culture and where we came from. And I started seeing that there was a lot of good spiritual conscious wear clothes that I could easily access, like bonnets and stuff like that. Is very popular, and I wanted add my little flair on there, a little conscious spirituality, a little manifestation with my clothes. I want to manifest while I'm walking around, Right. And I feel like other people do too. And there's other people who feel like me who, like to manifest. That's what I'm all about.
Okay, all right, cool. Well, what's your what are your goals for expanding your salon and boutique?
Okay, one of my goals is to be a beauty brand, a worldwide known beauty brand that is known for catering to natural hair, growing natural hair, love, and the beauty of Black culture and Black people, and spirituality, and embracing ourselves.
So yeah, well, I see you got the
oil.
Yeah, well,
yep.
What inspired you to sell spiritually charged hair oil, and how do you infuse spirituality into this product?
What inspired me is, first of all, herbs come from God and it's from nature, and herbs and flowers hold essence and energy. So I felt like when you use them in hair oil, that's already doing a form of a ritualistic care for yourself, and it's magical. So I added some amethyst crystals in there because I know it's known for spiritually enhancing, spiritual protection, and giving you good chakra energy. So it's good for your head. So, and I love amethyst. Amethyst is one of my favorite crystals. Okay. So that's how I put it in there.
What's all in it?
Okay, I got olive oil in here. I got 2-ounce, 4-ounce bottles. Okay. I got olive oil in here, castor oil, glycerin, sweet almond oil, hemp seed oil. I got some Jamaican black castor oil in here. That's 2 different castor oils. The Jamaican black castor a little bit thicker and darker. Real good for growing your edges. Real good for growing your hair back when it's thinning. Castor oil is good. Olive oil is good. Glycerin is good. Not too much, just enough to add moisture into your hair, especially being in South Carolina, where humid weather down here. Or anywhere else when it's humid. It's good to have a little glycerin in there. I also got tuberose, lavender, vetiver, calendar. Check my website out. Got all the descriptions, all the ingredients on there. Y'all find it.
Okay. All right. Bless you. How many more minutes?
How many minutes I got?
52 seconds. 50 seconds.
Okay.
You going live on this?
Yeah, I'm about to go live soon, you guys. Oh my goodness, I'm nervous. Okay, let me see what else I got to show y'all while I'm waiting. Oh, this is really cute. This is for the unique girlies. This is for the girlies who, not scared to be different, want to, stand out in the crowd a little bit. So these are my pearlies right here. These are really, really cute glasses. Sunglasses. Good for any occasion. And you definitely gonna stand out with these, okay? Look at that. Yes, that's one of my nice sellers right here. I had a few people already asking for these, so they might not be here too long. Yeah, I already had grabbed them. Who I snuck peeked and stole them. Oh yeah, these are nice. You gotta see these in the light. Oh shoot, I'm about to go live, y'all. Here we go.